guys, welcome back. It's me, Alyssa. Today, this video is going to be the weird noises I can make. So, I hope you like it. Let's get started. I'll be right back. Oh, so this video, like Alyssa said, it's the weird noises she can make, okay? So this is gonna be the weird noises Alyssa can make. Yep, it is, and I hope you like her video. I'm having a busy day out here. Oh, hey guys, yeah, she is having a busy day. Yep, but I'm trying to train for the radio show, so this is my horse. This is Strawberry. She is so cute and pretty. Don't you think, guys? If you think she's pretty, tell me down below in the comments. She's beautiful to me. I love Strawberry. Okay, let's get to Alyssa, actually. So, bye. Okay guys, so let's start. So, the weird noises I can make. Number 1. The weird noise I can make. That is so weird, but that is the first random noise I can make, and I'm gonna call it the random monster. So that noise is called the random monster. Oh no, did I hear monster? I can't. I like monsters. I'm gonna die. I can't do this. Run away, Strawberry, go. Run, come on, let's go. Okay, well, I think she's a bit of a scaredy cat about monsters. I guess I won't mention it to her. I heard that! This is weird. I'm gonna make the next weird noise I can make. Just kidding. No. Yeah? No. No.
Huh?
No.
I need you to organize books for me too then.
Okay. That's a weird noise. It sounds like they're kissing. The third weird noise I can make is that's the third weird noise I can make, and the fourth one is the last one I'm gonna do. Ba-dee-da-boo. Just kidding. Let's see. Oh my god. So that's the last weird noise I can make, and here I guess I'll do some Barbie doll voices. So this is my Barbie doll Crystal. I will be filming some Barbie doll videos maybe. This is Crystal and this is her voice. Oh. how are you guys? So this is what they have to say. Oh, hey guys, I'm Crystal, and I am really kind and nice and a sweet parent. I have 2 kids, a baby and a little girl. That was Crystal.
Yep, you need to clean your room by tomorrow, Alyssa. It's
Yeah, I know. Okay, my mom's talking to me. And this is Arena. Hello, I'm Arena, and I don't have any cards. Thank you. And this is Barbie. Hey! How are you? I'm amazing! Hey! So that was Barbie's voice. This is Nikki. Oh, hello. How are you guys? I'm Nikki, and I'm feeling very happy today. Bye. And this is Periwinkle, too, one of my favorite dolls. Well, my favorite doll. Oh, hey guys, how are you guys? I am Periwinkle. I have 2 kids, a baby, and a little girl named Ashley. Thank you guys for supporting Alyssa. A couple, let's see one more. This is say your name. I am Jeff. Hey, I'm Jeff. And I hope you like Alyssa's video. Bye-bye. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye, guys. Thank you guys for watching.